A hearty good evening for everyone being here today. A special thank you to our chief dignitaries for gracing the event with their presence. Today, we will gather here on the special occasion of the book launch of Letters to Mother, written by Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, and translated to English by Ms. Bhavna Somaya. Dating back to 1986, this book is a commemorative remembrance of Modiji's walks through life, through his joys and sorrows. These letters are addressed to Mother Goddess, whom he addresses as Jagat Janani. Now I would like to request the Honorable Governor, Ms. Swapna More, Ms. Shweta Shalini, and Ms. Bhavna Somaya to light the lamp and start the event on an auspicious note.
Very warm welcome to you all. Tatra Nagastu Pujante Namante Tatra Devata. Where women are worshipped, there gods rejoice. As they say, women are born leaders, whether it is mythological references or the real life examples. There are enough of instances and anecdotes to prove this. From the omnipotent Shakti, the divine feminine, to the fierce Jhansi Ki Rani Lakshmibai. From the maths wizard Shakuntala Devi to corporate science Kiran Majumdar Shaw. From Savitribai Phule to our women self-help group leaders. These women have withstood the vicissitudes of life and emerged victorious as leaders who lead the change in the world around them. Women in leadership is a tribute to these women who are the pillars of our existence, who inspire us, who lead us, and who contribute to our success in every walk of life.
कहा जाता है या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। सर्वप्रथम महामहिम भगत सिंह कोश्यारी जी को धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी कि उन्होंने आज का दिन चुना इस बुक को लॉन्च करने के लिए। आज 29 दिसंबर है, आज मार्गशीर्ष पूर्णिमा है। A challenging year called 2020. When it started, I thought it was going to start like a 2020 match, but this was worse than Test cricket. It just wasn't finishing on a daily basis by practice. And hence, thank you so much, Bhavna ji, for doing this for us. I've seen Bhavna ji's language. It's as simple as it can be. So I'm sure the book is going to be very, very interesting. And thank you to all of you because you've chosen to be leaders in your fields. We have selected 8 women in leadership, leaders in respective fields to be here, right here. And you've chosen to be a part of that whole and take out from that whole. Wishing you all the very best for the challenging 2021 and the further challenges that life will give. But I'm sure this book is going to empower you.
For a lot of us who are in the auditorium, this is a visit to the Raj Bhavan probably for the first time. For me, it is a special moment at the Raj Bhavan because it was here in the winter of 2018 that I met the Prime Minister and proposed the idea of the translation. He looked at me and asked me, why this book? And my answer was very simple, because it's extremely emotional writing, it's structured, and because there is a connect with the Mother Goddess. It was released in the year 2014 at a glittering event in Mumbai, and I was participating in this event, sitting in the auditorium, listening to Shri Modi's speech at that time. Not in my wildest imagination had I thought that I was ever going to translate this book. It is not a book. Letters to Mother is not a book about the Prime Minister. Letters to Mother is not a book about the Chief Minister. Letters to Mother is a book about a common man. Connecting with common men like you and me, and doing it because he feels he has a right to self-expression. That's it. Thank you.
मदर कि आज के इस बुक रिलीज के अवसर पर इस भावपूर्ण पुस्तक की ट्रांसलेशन करने वाले भावना जी, भावपूर्ण ट्रांसलेशन करने वाले आदरणीय भावना जी, शालिनी जी और स्वप्न सभी देखते हैं, पर स्वप्न कोई कोई होते हैं। तो we all dream, but some very few of us are dream, so that others also see us in their dream. उसमें स्वप्न जी और सभी उपस्थित भाई और बहनों, but what the भावना जी, भावना, that are the भावना of Modi ji, and that are भावना of a mind, that are the भावना of a वस्तु। Isn't so? भावना तो सब एक है ना, ये भूगोल का इस जगत के अंदर, इस विश्व के अंदर ये जो साक्षी भाव है, ये साक्षी भाव ऐसा भाव है जो केवल न केवल ठीक दिखाई नहीं, ठीक तरह से कर दिया है। ये साक्षी भाव केवल न केवल माँ के साथ नहीं हो सकता है। मैं जानता हूँ कष्ट हो, दुख हो, कुछ भी हो, सुख हो, हम पुत्री होंगे, पुत्र होंगे, पिता होंगे, पति होंगे, लेकिन कुल मिलाकर के ऐसे क्षण आते हैं कभी न कभी हमको सामने माँ दिखाई देती है, माँ याद आती है। जी की भावनाएं निश्चित रूप से प्रफुल्लित होंगी और फिर और मोर लेटर्स विल कम and more our own magazines, our own creations will come to us, so that we can benefit from that. Thank you very much.